Hi everybody, I am Gaurav Kumar and I just got recommended from 3FSB Gandhinagar for FCAT entry. And I am very proud to say that I have taken guidance from Invicta Defence Excellence Academy, which is in Jaipur. And I came here on 23rd of June, just about a month ago from my SSB. So the most important thing which I learned here is to have the self-confidence and to be just brutally honest, to tell the truth every time in the SSB and not to fake yourself. And I learned many things from the SSRs here because the SSRs are very good and I got to know about the SSB techniques, what is actually being observed in the SSB and what we should do in the SSB. We should not be projecting ourselves. We just have to be truthful to ourselves and to the others, and we must be selfless. Like the interviewing officer is here, he is very good and proper ग्रिलिंग करते हैं हर एक पे. वो बताते हैं PIQ में क्या फिल करना चाहिए, क्या आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी होनी चाहिए इंटरव्यू के रिगार्डिंग, एंड हाउ यू शुड बी प्रिपेयरिंग, what kind of answer you should be giving, and everything regarding the interview you will have just clear insight on that. And also if we talk about the ground task, then the GT officer here is also very good. You will get to know about how to write the GP, what all thing you should keep in mind while giving the GP. आपको ग्रुप डिस्कशन के टाइम क्या दिमाग में रखना चाहिए, कैसे पॉइंट देने चाहिए, हाउ you should give the lecture, and everything you will get to know more about the SSB. And at the end of your course you will be just be a better person as yourself. And if I talk about the psychology, then also they don't tell you any specific technique, but they tell you just to be yourself. They tell you your shortcomings and they make you improve on that, so that your stories, stat stories and everything will improve by yourself. That is what has happened with me. In just only 1 month I have cleared my SSB. Earlier I had given 6 attempts, out of which I was screened out in 5 attempts and I was conference out in 1 attempt. So I think it's a very good academy. And if I talk about my SSB experience, तो जो मेरा फर्स्ट डे था वो स्क्रीनिंग का था. उसमें जो सर ने PPDT और उसके रिगार्डिंग स्टोरीज OIR प्रैक्टिस किए थे, बिल्कुल सेम वही आया था. And I was just able to perform very well during the group narration and the group discussion, and everything went well and I was screened in. Afterward in the evening we had psych test, and most of the stories I have already practiced and I was able to write them very well, and it was my psych test was very good. And next 2 days was our GTO. In the GTO we have group discussions. The topics were same which we have already discussed there, so it was very easy for me. And talking about the group planning exercise, I have practiced 4 to 5 times. तो उसमें मेरा अच्छा गया था. I gave the group plan during the GP and I was able to participate well during the group discussion and group planning exercise. So that was a very good point. And there are many structures here. You will get to know more about the PGTs, HGTs, command tasks. So that is also very good, so that at there you will not be stuck. You will just have ideas in the mind and you will be able to apply yourself very well. So GTO will also be very good. And on the third day, on the third day I have my interview. So my interview was very good. It was very fluent. Most of the questions sir has already asked from me and I already prepared for them, and it was a very smooth interview and I was able to answer all of the questions. So my fourth day was free, and at the fifth day my conference was just of 2 minutes. So I think that I performed very well, and because of the SSRs only and because of their guidance I was able to make it through the SSB and I got recommended. Thank you.